Hello, good evening time, folks. This is a 2x12. I built this, I don't know, 8 or 9 months ago for Kyle Sherman. And we talked about it when I built it. I think he told me he was wanting to get like 2,000 watts out of it. But he never was really happy with what it was swinging. And we talked about it. He wasn't no hurry. He was real good to deal with and everything. And he sent it back to me, and well, I wound her up. Of course, I built a few boxes, big boxes since then, and this was one of my first big builds. So, or one of my early big builds with HGs. So I wound her up. And she's got the high flow fans in them, and they're loud. And she's built heavy duty. We'll do a little video on what she's doing here. Start out with radio drive. Legs straight through. So we're gonna drive it with. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. About 4.5 watts, hand. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Yes, there they are. Now, on this thing, Kyle, what I want you to do, of course, you got your variable back on the back like you had me put. What I want you to do, let's see. Turn down the radio. A 2-pill, I'm just trying to think. 8 pills, 200. So you'll have 4 more. 300 max decky, and about 200 be good. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn him on, y'all get ready for the noise. And there were some fans, I mean, they pulled some power. I had to put them on a relay by themselves. That way they was off the remote wires, because they was overloading the remote wire first. That's the first thing we did to it last time. Of course, it got a little ding and shit when it started with. I had to fix that, because he didn't notice the temperature in there. Then he had a little fan on. We're getting there straightened out, it'll all be good. Stomper 1200-HG-2x12. Reflex. SWR, wide open. Worldwide, 1, 2, 3. Hello, radio. So we're looking at less than 3 watts. Input tune.
Worldwide, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, check.
It's good. We'll start with power all the way down. Power all the way down. 1,000 watt scale. Average power.
Worldwide, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, this is our power all the way down.
1, 2, worldwide.
Hold on, let me make the further.
Worldwide,
The battery's about dead in that one. Left it on just 2,500 power all the way down. PV.
Worldwide, what's it doing now? Oh.
Little nothing. It's gonna power wide up. No, that was average, I'm sorry. 2,500 PV power all the way down.
Worldwide. Move it over 1,200.
Not bad. Now we're gonna crank her wide open. Crank her wide open. Go back to average. Average power.
Worldwide. Worldwide, good down. My typical little donkey stomper.
Alright. 2,500 watt peak. Let's see what happens here. You said you wanted to go, buddy, so that's what we're doing.
Worldwide, donkey stomper, worldwide. It's on 15.5 now. Worldwide, donkey stomper, worldwide.
Alright. Get the slug out. Put 10K in. 10K slug, 15.5, regular drive.
Worldwide.
2,900 PV. She'll bump right at 3,000. She really get crazy in her. My batteries are using my meter too. It was bumping 3,000 a while ago, but that's okay. That's good enough. Got good airflow. 30 watts, man. Like I said, be careful with it. Keep your decky down. But anyway, buddy, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 018 Vids. Catch me later.